Welcome. If you want to remove SIM pin from SIM card on your ASUS ROG Phone 3, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down until you find security and lock screen, go for the SIM card lock, and then go for your card, and to unlock you have to tap on the switcher and then just click input your pin. And right now it's not anymore protected, so we can easily turn off our device and just restart, and you will see that we don't have to input our pin code second time because it was removed. So just wait a little bit. And as you can see right now, we are free from our pin code on the SIM card. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!